Hey y'all, welcome back to Keep Austin Seared. I have a really exciting one to show you today. This is Chipotle Scalloped sweet potatoes. It's spicy, it's got some heat to it, it's cheesy, it's got bacon. What's not to love? And it's sweet potatoes, so it's healthy, right? It's like a vegetable, and that's something they eat in the blue zones, is sweet potatoes. So this is basically a superfood. And maybe as far as Thanksgiving standards, this is a superfood. I was brainstorming last week trying to figure out, what would be some good twist on Thanksgiving sides that I could show you guys, and this just kind of came to me. I think you're gonna love it. Stay tuned till the end of the episode for full written instructions and full written ingredients list and measurements. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. We've got the oven preheating to 350 degrees, and we're gonna start off by peeling and slicing our sweet potatoes. We're gonna slice these to about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch thick. It needs to be pretty thin and, roughly the same size so that it cooks evenly. All right, these are prepped, so we're gonna go move over to the stove and start on the bacon. I've got 4 strips of bacon that I've cut into 1/2-inch slices. I'm gonna get the stove going on about medium heat and get these cooked up. This is looking nice and crispy. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and set it aside in a paper towel lined bowl. I'm using a slotted spoon so that the drippings stay in the pan and we're just getting the bacon out. I've reduced the heat to low, and now we're going to stir the sliced sweet potatoes in with the bacon drippings. Once these look like they're all coated in the pan drippings, we'll go ahead and cut the heat entirely and work on our sauce. Okay, here's how we make our Chipotle cream sauce. I've got a 7-ounce can of Chipotles and adobo. This is a spicy recipe. If you are sensitive to spice, you could use half of a can, or they sell smaller cans. This is spicy. And we're gonna blend that together with our chicken stock. And our clove of garlic. All right, we don't need to give that too much time, just enough to break up those peppers. And now we will add our cream. Our white cheddar. And our Parmesan. And a little bit of salt. Now we stir this into the potatoes. Now that these are evenly coated, we're going to transfer them to the baking dish. I've got these laid out as evenly as possible in this baking dish, and I'm going to top with the bacon. And then we're going to cover it with foil and bake it for about 40 minutes the first time. Okay, that will be in the oven for about 40 minutes. Time to remove the foil, and then we'll stick it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. All right, guys, let's see how it turned out. Spice level warning, it's got a kick to it. But man, is it good. It's so good. With all of the chipotles and the bacon, this is a really perfect side dish for if you are in Texas or the Southwest. And I will, of course, be spending my Thanksgiving here in Texas. I think it's gonna be a great fit, but you know what? It's gonna be a great fit no matter where you are. Go make this. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.